How to stop background data consumption on Windows. Hey everybody, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily minimize your data consumption in the background on Windows. So the first thing you want to do here is open up your settings. Now you want to check for background apps. So you first have to head over to settings, go to apps, and then from the list you can find something like background apps or something like background permissions. You could just go ahead and click on it. If you don't see it, go to advanced app settings. And then from here, choose where to get apps. It's set to anywhere, but you can just restrict it to Microsoft Store or Microsoft Store only. Let me know if there is a comparable app in Microsoft Store. That's totally up to you. Then you want to uninstall some updates as well. Go to uninstall updates. And then you can uninstall previous updates on Windows. Now, once you have done that, you can go to installed apps. So go to apps and then go to installed apps. Now from here, you can just select any apps you want. Once you have your apps, you could just go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom, go to system components. And then from here, you can uninstall these unnecessary files if you want. Then you want to go to privacy and security, scroll down here, find all of these options, scroll down again, and then from the list you can go to Windows permissions. Now you can go to recommendations and offer this is enabled, and then as well as your speech, diagnostics, and feedback. If you head over to this section here, you can just click on delete diagnostic data. Now click on delete. Now you want to head over to Windows Update over here and then go to advanced options. Now from here, you can turn off the auto updates. Make sure all of these are toggled off. And then from here, you can go to restart apps. And from here, you can turn off these settings as well. Automatically save my restartable apps data when I sign back in. Just make sure to turn this one off. Now go back to Windows Update, and then you can pause your Windows Update as well. So go to pause updates. Make sure you pause it for a certain time. And if you go to update history, you can delete these history as well. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.